2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 HEMI V8 is built for power and performance, delivering an unmatched off-road experience with muscle car speed. At the front, the Wrangler retains its iconic 7-slot grille, now optimized for improved airflow to cool the powerful V8 engine. The aggressive hood features a functional air scoop with a HydroGuide air intake system, ensuring water and debris don't compromise performance. The rugged steel front bumper includes integrated tow hooks and LED fog lamps, while high-clearance fender flares accommodate the massive 33-inch all-terrain tires, giving it a dominant road presence. Inside, the Wrangler Rubicon 392 offers a perfect mix of rugged utility and premium comfort. The front seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with contrast stitching and embossed Rubicon 392 branding. A heated steering wheel, paddle shifters, and performance-focused gauges add to the thrill of driving this powerhouse. The Uconnect 5 infotainment system is housed in a large touchscreen, providing seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and off-road performance tracking. The cabin is designed to be adventure-ready, with washable floor mats and drain plugs for easy cleanup after muddy trail rides. Under the hood, the 6.4-liter HEMI V8 roars to life, producing an incredible 470 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. This beast of an engine allows the Wrangler Rubicon 392 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, making it the fastest Wrangler ever. The HydroGuide intake system enhances off-road reliability, preventing water intrusion during deep water crossings. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive, the powertrain ensures seamless performance across all terrains. The front-end engineering of the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 is built for dominance, combining aggressive styling with functional enhancements. The heavy-duty suspension, Fox shocks, and reinforced skid plates provide the strength needed to tackle extreme trails. Whether navigating rocky terrains or making a bold statement on the road, the Rubicon 392 is an unstoppable force in the world of off-road SUVs. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.